Hello everyone, I've got my mandalas sketchbook here and my Rotring Isograph, and I'm doing a doodle with it, some little intricate doodles, and hope you're doing good today. I was going to rearrange some things in my apartment, and I was going to do some cleaning, and I was going to move my bed into my other room, and then I was going to move my kitchen table into this main living room. And then I noticed that the table doesn't really move that easily because there's all these little screws in the middle of the table that I have to unscrew and then take little pieces apart and then take the table apart and then move it in here. And then that took me about an hour, and then I realized that I didn't really have enough room in here to move the table. And so that was a change of plans, and then it got kind of hot today, so I decided to put my air conditioner back in the window again. And I just ate, and now I'm getting ready to do some doodling. But things are going well. I've come quite a long ways in the sketchbook. I'm getting close to being done with it. I don't really have that many pages left before I'm finished, and when I'm done, I'll be doing a little tour of the whole sketchbook and showing you all the drawings and what was going through my mind when I was creating them. And yeah, things are going pretty good. I've got another sketchbook actually that I'll be starting on. It's the same size, and it's a 6x4" sketchbook. It's an off-brand. I think it's called Taylor and Rowney. I think that's the name of it. I'll have to take a look at it again. But I had bought it maybe a month ago for like $2. And I want to get some moleskin pocket sketchbooks, the smaller ones, because the Rotring Isograph doesn't really work that great on this paper. It does tend to catch a little bit, but not too much. And I would say the best paper that I have used is a really like an extra smooth Bristol paper and the moleskin sketchbooks, and that's why I was wanting to get the pocket sketchbook moleskin kind. The pen just really glides across the paper smoothly, and I can draw a lot faster that way. Don't have to worry about damaging the pen and any other little tedious problems that come along with it. But these sketchbooks are a good all-around type of sketchbook, the pentalic one, and that's because the paper it's smooth, but it's not so smooth to where you can't use graphite on it. I've done graphite drawings in this, little tiny portraits, and it's a very good all-around sketchbook. And I like using the smaller sketchbooks because it doesn't take so long to get a drawing done. I can get more ideas onto the paper and not feel like I have so much work to do at once. I can have an idea of something I want to create, I can put it on the paper, and then as I'm working the drawing, I'll have another idea come to me, and then I can complete the drawing quickly and then move on to another idea for a drawing that I have. And so I'm always getting more ideas out there, getting more styles of drawing and being more creative. But hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully we'll have more Rotring doodles. You have a good day.